Welcome back to a new video, friends. Today I'm going to tell about how to change language in Redmi 10 phone, guys. You can see everything in Hindi, guys. I want to in English and another language. So guys, you can set you can change language, friends, in Redmi 10 phone, guys. And guys, how to change and how can you change, I will tell you. So before starting video, friends, I want to tell you, if you're in my channel and you are watching video first time, so guys, first of all, go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So guys, now let's start video. First of all, open your phone setting. Then guys, you will have to come on अतिरिक्त setting, guys. अतिरिक्त setting, click here. भाषाएं and input, guys, click here. Click on भाषाएं. Then guys, click on English language, and which language, guys, you want to change, guys, you can change. I'm comfortable with English, guys, so I will change English language. Where is yes, guys, English India. Then guys, you can see everything is English. I can use easily my phone. So I think, friends, we have understood how to change language in Redmi 10 phone. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching the video, guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before, guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel.